Oba Confidence TV so. Ne yemfa yeninko yesi kakra. Shatawale. Anye nwa be Shatawale oto ni tuni Shatawale. Ye kai se nanu ya opamu ne boys bi. Ne sign sa o sign wo mu ano ne omo ye adwuma bom. Na sa mrantie opamu wo ma den a ebi mu hye ana omo wo ne ho ekeka nsem efa ne ho. Ne sent obehu ye na oso obi ankofie. Ene meto ka ma wa amaje. Meto we ya amaje. Waje enyoma ne efri omo honom na wapam wo mo se obi anfa ne kon ne obi anye adwuma bi. Na enu na enam so ama eye omumu nipa baako a ye friend e join 77 and wabekasa wasi still Shatawale enjai wo mu okoso oguso aye video e de se wo mu din eso omu carry ano ohwini omuni mu hwe enti mangrofo mfolo wo mu mangrofo ntie wo mu nyum na enu na waye video dia beto abonten se aye ne yaye pa isanse nko hu ye asem yi eya kwafe nanso ase Shatawale ni eda so di na chi ntin kebe ya ye nua be ma Shatawale matuo nkotwe ne etwere so wo hu na nkaja wo mo life ma wo mo ne obeye de ose enkenyo emfa shata ho nti shata ja wo mo life ema wo mo abusiafo mediane da ache hema na ekua kwatewa aha Confidence TV na mekai wo so betimi akọ Play Store akọ download eye app no se ne ebe ya baby awo bia obetimi abie na wa hwe videos biara ebe pushi ede atum wo hwe me wo YouTube e ma refi so be subscribe wo share na wa like nso aka ho ede amame ko Facebook, Twitter, Instagram na ho nso ko share like na share famame media ne da ache hema makra
the idea and I used to say some messages come my phone top and I try check the messages and I see some screenshots where somebody screenshot and it show me like Shatawale they tell people say make they push on our songs, make they support we, make they talk about we and stuff. That be what the person they tell me and I was like, oh, so after these things all where we enter new year inside too, these things still they go on. As we enter new year, where we feel say we all for make word for ourselves too. These things still they go on. But you see, be like be giddy bia, but you see, this world, if you did, try help yourself. That be the only way I go fit tell you. Because you see, we right now, people they call we bad names. Right now, people they call we, they tell we say we be ungrateful. Yeah, that's what people they see we say we be ungrateful. And it be only God. It be only God. Because you see me, my former label where I did there. I swear say the serve I go serve for there. Nobody go serve that serve for there. My former label, Shatter Movement when I did there. Me, the serve where I serve for there. Nobody for there go fit serve. Nobody go fit do. Nobody. It be me where they are the feed dogs for the house. Me. Nobody they do one. Me pay where they do one because I just say I for support my brother. It be me pay where they clean asses for there. Shatawale that they clean ass, if ass comes sick for my house, So if today somebody go come tell me say they say make they no push me, make they no support when I works, make they no do this, make they no do this. If you say it good, you go leave everything for God. The only God way to go talk for you. See me, see my shana. We say the right born again for my shana inside. You see. My mind and my things, my thinking and everything, they born again. They born my mind and my everything so again. So you see me, I get different mind where I do because I say human being no go fit do you any better unless yourself. Human being no go fit do you any good unless yourself. You dey get me? Because you see, it be crazy. It be crazy. We were right now, they tell bloggers say, make they know they support we, make they know they blog we, make they know they do this, make this one no support we, make this. I swear, I just thank God say, you see, human being no be God. Human being, like if, my friend, listen, like if human being be God, imagine the things that go to happen for this one world we dey inside. If like human being be God, if like human being be God, like if human being be God, like just imagine the things it go dey happy. Like human being go kill human being go stab human being go make human being go be miserable. Like human being go make human being go be miserable, like if human being be God. You see, but we just thank God, say God be somebody on his own way, he day way, he create we way, just day way they watch we. Anything we they do, whether good, bad, this he just they watch we. Like if you be human being, like we go tired before we go even get breath, like when breathe like that, like we go tired. Like we go tired, wow. Because you see me, the things are past. That's what I do. You see, I do some song Martin Amidu, and that man Martin Amidu, he's a very great man. I come learn some things about that man. They don't know him, but through one of politics, where I can go read about him, like you say, this man the great man. This man get MPP and NDC off on your hand. But as things no go, they go on well for him. He just leave them for some way. Say, Charlie, I go make you put take your thing. I make I run my thing. That be life. That be life. If you know the fee, you know, support your. If somebody, they work and you know they give you the attention, the support, if forgive you, and they see you say you be bad, just leave the person and go do. Just find your way, because you see this word, each man for himself. Each man for himself. I no go lie you. I no go lie you. The things where me I pass through, and some things where you do, people want take do me. And right now, me, if I come live or if I come Facebook, people they come insult, and some insults we know they make sense, and insults we know they hear, they just they insult you because they do say they follow somebody where you have money. Hey, don't fuck up. Don't come insult. Don't come write things where you don't know, because if you say they follow somebody where you have money, don't fuck up because you don't know my background. Hey. You don't know my background. It be where we make people they dress, start wear America things before people start to go America. We. If you don't know, go ask, make they tell you. Hey, you do if people they do things like they know. Yesterday fans, the Indomie fans, they do things like they know. And they watch them like they don't know what's up. They know they be damn. They don't even know what they go on. Charlie. You see this thing where we do? Me I dey music, pe. Music. The time of as I dey go school, I be music. As I finish school, be music. So if you go come talk like make I stop music, make I if you want make I stop music, you for pay me, if you treat me, you for pay me all the time, because it's the only music I dey do. So anybody where you want make I stop music, if you pay me, make I stop. If you pay me well better, make I stop the music. Because you don't know where me they come from. You don't know where they. Some people they don't know where they come from. I know some people that they Instagram here, they get sense. A lot of people, sensible people, they Instagram here. You see, and if they join me say, you know, sensible people they here where you know let them the vibe well. But some people feel say yeah. They're from some place and they're from some place and they go fit come talk some things anyhow. While they don't know what they want, they don't know anything, they don't even get any idea. Charlie, I dey beg. I dey do my thing. I don't want to have problem with anybody. I don't want to make any fan go come message me, go tell me say they say make we no push you guys. Who say? Say make they no push we guys, make they no do this, make they no do this. You see, it be so, and the people where they don't know, they never go know till they go take die. The people where they don't know anything, where they talk anyhow, they never go know till they go take die. Cause you see, it no be easy. Say you dey try do something for yourself and somebody to do some place and you go to do things and go to talk anyhow like it be them do things. Nobody do any. You see me where I dey here. Nobody do anything for me apart from God and maybe some people where they love me.